If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Elden Ring. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, you may experience performance issues. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Adjusting game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Elden Ring. Reducing options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality can help alleviate lag spikes and improve overall performance. Step 4. Optimize network connection. If you're playing online, ensure your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, and close any background applications that may be using bandwidth. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close unnecessary programs running in the background that may be consuming system resources. Use the Task Manager to identify and end tasks that are not needed while playing the game. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate lag spikes in Elden Ring. Enjoy your gaming experience.